We have a parabola in standard form, so to find that middle value, we will have to bust out the formula opposite of b over 2a. I do encourage you guys to try to do it in your head. So the opposite of b is negative 8. 2 times a is positive 4. So our middle value for our table will be negative 2. That's the x value of the vertex. I'll build a table with negative 2 smack dab in the middle. These are the numbers that come after negative 2. These are the ones that come just before. And all of these x values will be plugged into this function to figure out what the corresponding y value is. So I'll have 2 times negative 4 squared plus 8 times negative 4 plus 7. I'll have 2 times negative 3 squared plus 8 times negative 3 plus 7. And at this point, I'm going to pause the recording and fill in the rest of this table and then talk you through the next part. So after filling in all those x values, I'm going to use the calculator to calculate what the y value is going to be. I do want to point out that I'm not going to use this y equals button, nor am I going to use a table feature, because you can't use the graphing calculator on the quiz. You have to use a normal little yellow scientific calculator, and I'm going to show you what that would look like. This is the only thing I have on the computer screen that'll work. So exactly as it looks, I'm going to type 2 parentheses negative 4 in parentheses squared plus 8 negative 4 plus 7, and out pops a 7. And then to save myself time, you can do this on the scientific calculators as well, you can press up and it'll grab this stuff and you can edit this. So my calculator does not do that, I've got to do this, but yours will. All these negative 4s will become negative 3s. And out pops a 1. All these negative 3s will become negative 2s. And then we get a negative 1. And if I continue doing that stuff, we'll see that this is 1 and this is 7. So the points we have are negative 4, 7. That's here. Negative 3, 1. That's here. And you guys know how points work, so I'm going to stop explaining that. We get a nice symmetrical graph. We had a nice symmetrical table, U-shaped graph. It all starts with knowing opposite of b over 2a is the way to start and build it out. Everything else is calculator skills. You can do it. Practice. Be prepared. Be awesome. Good luck.